The little boy from Rosario, Argentina, on behalf of every little boy wearing his shirt. Messi on a million backs. Messi for a million flashbulbs. Messi potentially to crown his stellar career. Lionel Messi, no, it's got away, it's got away. Argentina will play the World Cup final at his own brilliant behest. Messi will play in the ultimate game. Lionel Messi has a shot at his crowning moment as Luka Modric says farewell. Argentina into the final of the World Cup for the 6th time, in a bittersweet moment of personalities. One great will get to glitter on the most shimmering stage of all, whilst the other must sidle away, head bowed. But it is